Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from mindfulmarketplace.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to really quickly and easily add products to your Buy Me a Coffee storefront. So for those of you who are familiar with our brand and our business, we've created most of our course content on the Podia platform. As you can see, here's our membership, and here are the avalanche of courses we have for sale on the front page of our storefront. This is, again, it runs on Podia. There are lots more courses that are hidden that you can't see on our front page. But this is pretty much the layout for a Podia storefront. Alternatively, here's what Buy Me a Coffee looks like. Now, Buy Me a Coffee is a much different sort of site by dint of its kind of front-facing mission. It's really more about, or at least thus far, kind of these micro commitments, these gratuities, this sort of support from your readers and subscribers. They're known for this kind of buy me a I have mine changed to a little love, but traditionally it's this buy me a coffee or a book or whatever it is. And many people seem to overlook, certainly I did for a long time until just the last couple of days, how powerful this platform can be for actually selling content, courses, books, coaching, videos. Everything that you can pretty much sell on something like Podia, you can do on Buy Me a Coffee. I think it's prettier. I think the aesthetic is neater. I think the UX is slicker and sexier. And it's also 100% free. Podia, we pay around $79 a month for the features that we use. Pretty much all of those you can do on Buy Me a Coffee, with the difference being you pay a 5% transaction fee on everything that you sell. You can launch your thing for free, but then when you actually sell something, be it a membership, a coaching session, a video, you're paying a 5% fee. All right. But again, you can build this whole thing out, as you're about to see, 100% for free and start making money tomorrow. So their shop portion, or their shop element, they call extras. And they actually have some really beautiful templates that you can select from right away if you're selling one-on-one consultings or coaching. That's a non-COVID coffee you just heard. A one-on-one coaching or consulting session, a Zoom event, an ebook, an art commission, videos, anything that you can really conceptualize. They've actually created these templates, or of course you can start from scratch. So in this video, my goal is to show you how to actually pin this to the front of your landing page, your profile page. So I'm going to show you. Let's just pick ebook, and let's say we're going to change this to Ian's new book launch, and then we'll leave that there. The thing I don't love about this is they have a character limit that's pretty short. It's pretty restrictive. I like to use long, descriptive titles for books, courses, content, etc. And I think this sort of inhibits that a little bit. So hopefully they'll change that down the road, give you more opportunity to describe your stuff in more detail, or at least the titles of your products. All right, and then I don't know how many characters you have here, but you just fill that out as you see fit. This is all right. So still not a ton of space there, but it's the aesthetics and the there's a very fine line, I think, in designing these sorts of checkout experiences and product display experiences, and I really think these guys have nailed it. So I'm not going to comment too much more about how much area you have to describe your products. Anyway, here's the confirmation message. This is what folks would get when they buy your product. The other thing you can't do on Buy Me a Coffee as of right now is you can't actually store your ebook on their server, so you actually have to have an external URL where you're delivering that file. So whether that's a Dropbox, whether that's some other place on the web, your own URLs, it matters not. That's how you would deliver your product to your buyer. All right, so you can add an image. I mean, I really don't want to get too crazy with this, but let's just do that for demonstration's sake. Actually, that's not a good image to use. All right, let me find something else. Let's try that one. These are just random images that are, I'm just pulling from an image folder. So I'm going to save the changes. And now you can see the product live. All right, so there's what this looks like here. And then we're going to go to the home page, and you can see that this is actually pinned to the top of the page. All right, so what we're trying to do here is create a experience where the Buy Me a Coffee profile page starts to look more like a business sort of operation, right? Rather than a small creator who's just seeking out micro commitments or gratuities or whatever from their audience. All right, there's your extras page. We're going to continue to build that out as well, and I'll be back with the next video to show you how.